Hello guys, today we are going to talk about the numbers again, but today we are going to do some math activities. So let's check this together. Today we are going to talk about addition. Do you know what addition means? Additions are sumas. So for example, I know that you know if, for example, when you have two colors plus two colors, so we have four colors. So let's continue with the activity. Here we have some examples of additions. The first example is 8 plus, this is the plus symbol, el símbolo de suma, plus symbol. So 8 plus 4 is equal to 12. Here we have the number 50. 50 plus 20, 21, 50 plus 21 is equal to 71. And the last one is 19 plus 32 is equal 19 plus 32 is equal to 51. So let's continue with the following activity. Les voy a dejar unas pequeñas sumas para que hagan en la casa en otro pequeño video que les voy a enviar ahorita apenas terminemos la clase de mí. También vamos a hablar de tens and units, las decenas y las unidades, ¿cierto? Tens and units. So I have here an example. For example, if we have the number 36, we should write, bueno, vamos a dividir, ¿cierto? Vamos a dividir, no, a separar las decenas de las unidades. Entonces en un lado vamos a poner las decenas, tens, and on the other hand we are going to put the units. So 36. So we have 36, the number 36, so we have 3, we have 3 tens, right? 3, 1, 2, and 3 tens. And in the units we have 6. No, we have 6 units, so 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and those tens and units together give us the number 36. So vamos a repasar esto en la clase de Meet. Espero verlos a todos, que puedan asistir. Muchas gracias a todos. Bye.